In this video, we'll go through the Module Manager in Joomla 1.5. It's pretty straightforward. To get there, we go to Extensions and down to Module Manager. This is going to bring us to a page that shows us all of the modules that are installed on our website. It's going to show us a handful of a couple of pieces of information about each one. Here we've got the module name. We've got whether or not it's enabled. Again, in order to enable a module that's not enabled, you can simply click the white X there inside the red circle. We can order the modules on this page if we like and save it by clicking the little disk here. We can change the access level of the module if we only want it to be viewable by folks once they are logged in. We can toggle through their different choices by clicking on public there. This tells us the position. This is one of the most important columns you're going to be taking a look at often probably. We're going to need to know where our modules are published, obviously. So all of these modules are published on the left side, the left position within our template. Here's the obviously modules that are published in the footer position, things that are over on the right, and as you kind of noodle through your modules, you'll see that things are in the syndicate position, top position, user 1, 2, 3, and 4. So again, you'll be using this position column to eyeball where your modules are published on your website. It's imperative that you do obtain the module map for your specific module. I would suggest that you print that module map out and stick it in the site file so you constantly know where it is and it's easily referred to as you start creating more pages and building out your site. You're going to constantly need to be reminded as to where you can put things basically throughout your site, and using the module manager is where you do that. So on this page we can enable modules, disable them here in the top right. We can copy specific modules. The copy function is great if you're going to build a big site and you can create one module template that behaves in a specific way, and you want to use that in multiple instances throughout your site. You can copy that module over and over and then simply assign it different positions and different page locations. We can delete modules, we can edit them, obviously we can create new ones. The pages title lets you know what pages that whether or not the module is published on all pages or whether or not you've got it set to only show on variable pages. So the latest news module, for instance, the pages that it shows on varies. So let's go take a look, and what we've done here is in the menu assignment we said don't show it on all pages. We want to select the menu items that are the pages that it shows on. So here's the different menu items of the pages that are on our site, and we only want it to show up on specific ones, so we can hold down control and say only show it on the home page, Joomla review, and the more about page. Again, you do that by holding down control, and then we'll simply hit save. So the module manager is you're going to spend a lot of time here as you're building your website. You're going to be using modules and creating custom modules to put new types of content in. You can put any kind of content you want in a module. There's components and different plugins that allow you to embed PHP and Flash and pretty much anything you want. So the sky's the limit when it comes to embedding and creating custom modules. When we go to new, you'll quickly see what types of things we can do. So we can put what kind of module do we want to create. I want to create a module that shows all my archived content. So when I pull that module up, I'm going to be given specific parameters, and so to apply to this module regarding the archived content. So use the tooltips and scroll over each one and read through them. It'll let you know what kind of module that's going to be created. In addition to that, you're probably going to be using the custom HTML often if you're building a pretty robust site, and that's great because you can dump in your own RSS feed, you can give your own styling to the module, and it gives Joomla a lot of function and power using the custom HTML module feature there. So take a look at the module manager and feel free to play with it. Obviously, like most anything in Joomla, as long as you don't delete it, you can't break it. So if you delete something, there isn't a module trash. So once you delete a module, it's gone. So be mindful of that and try not to delete something unless you're absolutely sure you're no longer going to need it. So hope that was helpful.